Let's put our living stereo stylus in this groove.
G'day guys and girls, my name's Jamie Gray. Welcome to Welding Tips with What Tradies Want, and I'm lucky enough to be joined with Jimmy Sullman from S.W.A.T Fabrications and Engineering. How are you, Jimmy?
Good, mate, really good.
I dropped this awesome little Pico 160 down to you about a week and a bit ago.
Yep.
How have you been finding it, and what have you been doing with it?
It's a great little machine. We've been using it on site. Mainly we do a lot of marine work, so going down on site, tacking up frames for targers, davits, yada yada on the backs of boats.
Yep.
So having a machine this small and compact in that environment is a big thing, because we need to not be taking massive machinery on these people's boats. Obviously they're worth a lot of money, so this machine has got the TIG torch that can be plugged into it with the pulse application, which is great for the thin wall tube.
Yep.
And then if you need the herbs, it's still got the stick attachment, and you can pump it, and you can weld really thick material on site and get away with that if you get in windy environments and whatnot. So
excellent.
Been using it mainly for some stick welding of some 316 stainless steel material on site.
Yep.
It's been great because we can go on, we don't have any gas we need to take with us. I've been finding it really easy to use with the special functions it's got. It's got a non-stick start. It's got an electrode distance that you can pull away from the material before it fires up.
Yep.
It's light, it's small, it's just been really good, really easy.
Mate, it must be a next to nothing to pretty much throw on your shoulder and
Yeah, I think
carry,
I think it's 4 kilos. I have
Really?
to have a look. Is it up a ladder or anything? Yeah.
No, that's so cool. And you've been working with the EWM machine for a while too,
We have, yeah. We've had a few of their machines. Great support and backup, especially with the BOC guys down there at Brookie. They're always eager to help, so it's never an issue, which is a big thing when you've got to be on the ball and you need stuff for your machines.
Yep, exactly.
So that network's awesome. The warranty's great, especially in industrial and commercial scenes. Yeah, things get used a lot, and so things like that are pretty important. So we've welded a bit of 1/2-inch material to some 6mm channel, just to show the capabilities of this machine. Running about 150 amps with pulse on, and that's what we achieved.
So thanks so much everyone for tuning in for another, well it's not actually another, it's our very first welding tips with Jimmy Sullman and the S.W.A.T Fabrication boys. So thanks so much for tuning in guys, stay safe on site and catch you soon.